Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Eclipse IDE from Microsoft Windows 10. So this is Eclipse IDE. You can see it. I'm going to close it and show you how to uninstall it. So there are a few ways you can uninstall it, but let's see which one works. So simply go ahead and press Windows and R on your keyboard and type appwiz.cpl. Go ahead and hit enter. And you'll see this is uninstall or change a program page, which you generally go to control panel, programs and features section. So you get here, but you do not see Eclipse IDE here to manage from. So what we need to do, we need to go ahead and remove it from where it is installed. So basically what we need to do, we need to go to our users folder. So go to this PC and then go to C drive where your Microsoft is installed, and then go to user, and this is the user where this Eclipse is installed. Okay, so go ahead and locate it. Here it is. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open it to have a look, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to uninstall it. So simply go ahead and delete it, and it's been deleted. Now let's see, we have another folder, so go ahead and select it, and this is the main folder basically. Okay, this is for CPP, and this was the Eclipse was installed for C and C++. So go ahead and locate this folder as well, and just, do you want to permanently delete this folder? Say yes, and you are done. So this is going to take some time depending on what type of Eclipse you have installed on your system. So those are two folders that you need to remove from your system under your user account folder, and once that is done, you can go ahead and close it, and if you just click it to launch the Eclipse, this will say exe file is not available. So go ahead and say yes to delete the shortcut, and this has been deleted. So this is how you uninstall Eclipse IDE from Microsoft Windows computers. So this is Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, 8 or 8.1, locate the users folder and look for Eclipse folders and remove them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, leave in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye for now.